Ake siwuhlabe siwulawule nanku umkhosi phela ukuhlula amadoda kuyabikwa. Kunombuzo lapha engifisa ukuphendula ngesihloko sawo othi uma ngathiwa ke siba successful ekhipheni uRamaphosa bese jakuphathe bani. Mhlambe ke uRamaphosa angeke akhishwe iANC as a president wayo, but ngabe khishwa abantu as a president wezwe, feeling ukuthi has sold out our country. He has brought back the era of apartheid in a sophisticated manner, or far worse than that. He has brought back a slavery era. Now that amabhunu akwazi ukubulala abantu nje abadubule in self-defense, and it's all protected by the constitution, said to be the best constitution in the world, yet it's still compromising the native people of the land. Zonke ke lezo zinto ziyincindezelo yenza ukuthi thina siyisizwe sithi akaphume, which is cutting across all political parties or spheres. Therefore, a solution ayikho kuma-politicians. Probably not even in public figures, so to say. But a solution yokuthi singaphatha ubani mhlambe ikithi. Angiwazi kakhulu umbhalo noma iBhayibheli, but somewhere I read when Solomon was amazed by a commoner who became a king, or a slave who became a king, or a servant who became a king. That's what we want in this era. We need somebody who's nobody with all credibility and competences we need to lead this country. Ngoba bonke abantu abakwi-system already, they are bought and captured. They subscribe to a certain philosophy and they go to a certain window beyovela kulo inyanga nenyanga ukuthola ukuthile nokuhambisa ama-report. I-system yabelungu ka-divide and rule iyona esibusayo. Kune-clip uPresident Zuma ayikhuluma khona ukuthi uma kungathiwa sithola u-2/3 majority ekhuluma as the ANC would change everything, would even take back our land. Amabhunu ahleli kuwo ngenkani ngoba phela wawo bawu-securing a constitution okuthiwa i-democratical, even imithetho yakhona it's still unlawful. But right now all the political parties or black political parties do constitute the 2/3 that has always been a dream, but they are doing nothing, which is not the first time, because even in an era of President Thabo Mbeki, they had a 2/3 majority, but they changed nothing because their interest is not purely vested in a black child. They don't understand liberation. It's a song, it's an empty slogan to bluff and confuse us so that we believe that there are black leaders advocating for freedom and democracy of a black child. Inkululeko masifuna ukuyithola fanele siyitholele thina ngezandla zethu. So as the leader who lead us, uzoqhamuka phakathi kwethu. Mina ke angithanda ukuhleze ngikhomba abantu, mhlawumbe angikhampeneli ukuba upresident, but ngiyazi ukuthi if you want anything done right, do it yourself. Mina ke any other person, extraordinary as he may be, as average as myself, I would vote for that person, pledge my support for this person to be the president. But mengathiwa ke nguphendula ngesihloko lombuzo, ngathi iNingizimu Afrika aying-entrust nge-responsibility yokubakhulula. I know the very best way how. Ngicela nina bantu bakithi abansundu ningi-entrust nge-responsibility yokuthi asambe siyokhipha uRamaphosa mase niyanginikeza ngifune ngisho 5 years ukuthi ama-elections vote over 5 years. Cha, angifuni into edifanwe yi-system, ngifuna isikhathi enizonginikeza sona to fix and change the course of history. But not only me, anyone who's competent. Baningi abantu esibukela kubo lapho, esisubscribe kubo, esithola izeluleko kubo, esibaziyo ukuthi bangamaqhawe aqotho angaletha inguquko ephilayo ezweni lakithi. National shutdown areas kusile kusasa bafowethu, asingeni asibone imlungu, izwe livaliwe, sinomthandazo kodwa kumvele nqangi uRamaphosa akaphume. We are tired as the nation. Salute.